Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a makeup tutorial on this purple sunset smoky eye look that I created. And without further ado, let's go on with the video. So today I'll be using the Morphe 35B palette and using that yellow shadow as my transition shade and then blending it out in windshield wiper motions and also in circular motions with any blending brush you have. Then I'll be using the orange shadow as my crease color and blending it out with the same brush. Next, I'll be using the magenta shade and placing it on my lid as well and making sure it is well blended with the orange in order to create that gradient effect we're aiming for. Then finally, I'll be grabbing that really dark purple shade and pushing that shadow on my lid where it's closest to my lash line and blending it upwards in order to create a smooth gradient effect. For my lashes, I'll be using my most favorite dramatic lashes from the Makeup Shack in the style Mad Eye. Before applying any foundation, I'll be using my NYX Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer. Next, I'll be using my NYX Total Control Liquid Foundation in the shade number 12 and blending it out with a beauty blender. For my concealer, I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand. By the way, let me know if you guys want a drugstore makeup tutorial because I actually really love using drugstore products so much. To set the entire face, I'll be using my Airspun translucent powder with my beauty blender. To bronze up the face, I'll be using Java and Havana from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Concert Kit and also contouring my nose as well. I don't know why, but I can never miss this step during my makeup routine, but I love cleaning up that bronzer with the same translucent powder from Airspun. To finish up the eyes, I'll be using the orange and yellow eyeshadow from the Morphe 35B palette. And then for blush, I'll be using the shade Party from Tarte. To lock everything together, I'll be using my Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray. Lastly, for highlight, I'll be using my ABH Illuminator in the shade So Hollywood and putting it wherever the sun hits the face, such as the cheekbones, the bridge of the nose, my brow bone, my cupid's bow, etc. Lastly, for lips, I'll be using my favorite nude lip in the shade 951 from ColourPop and the I Love Saturn E collab. And of course, lastly, I love using a very pointed eyeliner brush to clean up that lipstick. And finally, that is it for this purple sunset makeup look. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much. See y'all again.